The demand for versatile travel backpacks is skyrocketing, evolving beyond simple tourism into essential gear for mobile typists and esports gamers needing to protect fragile tech on the go. This comprehensive guide evaluates the best options on the market, analyzing their switch type, accessibility and closure mechanisms, build quality, internal layout, compartmentalization.
Product number 1. EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag. When your travel itinerary includes water-based adventures, the EarthPack Waterproof Dry Bag is an essential shield for your electronics. Its switch type features a classic roll-top closure that creates an airtight seal, ensuring your gear stays bone dry even in torrential rain or during kayaking trips. The build quality is exceptional, using 500D PVC material that resists tears and abrasions. While its layout is a singular, spacious compartment meant for bulk protection, it excels at keeping essentials safe in environments where other bags would fail. It even includes a dedicated waterproof phone case for added utility. For the traveler who prioritizes extreme protection over organizational pockets, this bag offers incredible value and peace of mind. It's the ultimate specialized pack for those who find themselves near water, offering rugged, no-compromise performance that keeps your belongings completely isolated from the elements.
Product number 2. Lovevook 40L Travel Backpack. The Lovevook 40L is a powerhouse for the organized traveler, designed to maximize every inch of its airline-approved carry-on footprint. Its build quality is impressive, utilizing high-density waterproof fabric that handles the rigors of frequent air travel with ease. The internal layout is a standout, featuring a sophisticated compartmentalized system that comes with 3 dedicated packing cubes, allowing you to separate tech from clothing seamlessly. It comfortably houses a 17-inch laptop, making it a favorite for gamers and digital nomads. The switch type includes high-quality, heavy-duty zippers that provide smooth access to your main cargo. By balancing massive storage capacity with user-friendly organization, this bag provides immense value. Whether you are heading out for a weekend business trip or a week-long vacation, this backpack functions like a portable suitcase, ensuring you can travel light while keeping your professional setup perfectly protected. Product number 3. The North Face Women's Jester Everyday Laptop Backpack. If you need a reliable daily driver that transitions perfectly into travel, the North Face Women's Jester is a legendary choice. Specifically engineered for the female frame, its suspension system and layout provide unparalleled comfort during long transit hours. The build quality is top tier, utilizing water-repellent materials that ensure your laptop and documents stay dry. Its switch type features a refined, quick-access front bungee system, perfect for stashing a light jacket or a spare pair of shoes. The dedicated laptop sleeve is padded for maximum protection, a feature highly valued by professionals who need to work remotely. With its sleek TNF black aesthetic, it is professional enough for a meeting and rugged enough for a hiking trail. For women who want a high-value, versatile bag that combines durability, specific ergonomic design, in a slim, commuter-ready silhouette, the Jester remains an unbeatable companion.
Product number 4. Taygeer Travel Backpack for Women. The Taygeer Travel Backpack is a masterclass in thoughtful utility, specifically designed to address the common frustrations of airport security. Its TSA-friendly, flight-approved layout allows you to breeze through checkpoints without removing your laptop, saving valuable time. The build quality features durable, water-resistant polyester and a separate ventilated shoe pouch, a game-changer for those who need to pack an extra pair of trainers without dirtying their clothes. It comfortably accommodates a 15.6-inch laptop and offers plenty of interior pockets for cables and accessories. Its switch-type features include sturdy, lockable zippers for added security. With a stylish pink aesthetic, it stands out from the sea of black bags while offering the functional reliability of a business bag. This backpack provides excellent value for travelers who need a well-organized, feminine, and highly functional day pack that handles everything from gym gear to professional tech safely.
Product number 5. Lovevook 40L Travel Backpack, Expanded Version. Mirroring the organizational brilliance of its sibling, the second Lovevook 40L iteration continues to impress with its flight-ready design. Its internal layout remains the gold standard for travelers who love packing cubes, allowing for a systematic approach to luggage that keeps your shirts wrinkle-free and your cables organized. The build quality is equally robust, featuring reinforced stitching at all stress points to ensure it can handle being stuffed to capacity. Its switch type is enhanced by a luggage strap that allows the bag to slide onto rolling suitcases, turning it into a complete travel system. As a 17-inch laptop-compatible bag, it offers more than enough room for a gaming laptop or a workstation. For the frequent flyer who values both capacity and clarity, this bag is a massive value add, effectively replacing the need for checked baggage on short to medium trips while protecting your most important gear.
Product number 6. VANKEAN 17-inch laptop backpack. The VANKEAN 17-inch laptop backpack is the definition of fashion-forward functionality. Its minimalist black aesthetic makes it look like a high-end designer bag, but its interior tells the story of a heavy-duty computer pack. The build quality focuses on water-resistant nylon and padded interior protection, ensuring that even your most expensive hardware is shielded from knocks and spills. Its layout includes a dedicated large-capacity laptop compartment that is separate from your personal belongings, an ideal setup for professionals who need to keep work and life strictly separated. The switch type involves ergonomic wide-padded straps that distribute weight evenly across the shoulders, reducing fatigue. For the fashionable traveler or student who needs a bag that looks sophisticated in a business setting while providing the storage capacity required for a full day of travel, the VANKEAN offers incredible stylish value.